The Series 15000 surround sound library from Sound Ideas is a wide-ranging collection of multi-channel surround sounds originally recorded at 24-bit 96K. It includes surround sound ambiances from many different places, including airports, amusement parks, train stations, printing plants, and warehouses. And surround sounds from different locations, including Antarctica, Egypt, Hawaii, New York City, farms, forests, and mountaintops. In all kinds of weather, including rain, wind, and thunder. Series 15000 provides more than 5,900 multi-channel files for more than 1,000 sound effects available on hard drive for either Mac or PC in 2496, 2448, 1648, or 1644-1 format. Series 15000 surround sound effects is only available from Sound Ideas.